So hi, I'm Lucas Crossley, Regional Manager for Mimaki here in Canada. I'm coming to you today from the Graphics Canada show. Right now I'm standing in front of our award-winning entry-level Flatbed Jfx 200. This is a 4x8 LED UV machine. This is a great unit for those who are looking to get into flat substrates up to 2 inches thick. We can print direct to the substrate, and there's a whole wide variety of different substrates that we can print to. A couple of features that make this machine unique is that we do not use metal halide in any of our LED technologies. The advantages of the LED over metal halide is that there's no heat generated from the LED lamps. And the beautiful part about that is it allows us to print on heat-sensitive substrates. It also means that there's no heat up and cool down time when you turn the machine on or off if you have to do maintenance. And the energy consumption is significantly reduced versus metal halide lamps. One other thing to mention as well is that the maximum thickness we can print on is substrates up to 2 inches. What's kind of cool about that is obviously it's designed for board work, but we have people doing customized work, anything from mini sticks to hockey pucks to USB keys, you name it. All kinds of applications can be done with this machine right here. Continuing on with our UV technology is our relatively new UJV55 320. So this is a 3.2 meter, again, LED UV printer, capable of maximum print speeds of 1,184 square feet per hour. So we actually have a function in our RIP that lets you compose a day-night backlit graphics. One of the challenges with that was when you're doing backlit was that you always had to go back to your proofing panel and check your work to make sure that you had it set up the way you wanted. Here we have a 7,000 Kelvin LED backlit right in the machine, so you don't need to do that, which is a very nice feature. Additionally, we have a twin banner function that we're actually running right here right now. So we can use 2 rolls of banner vinyl or any material up to 60 inches wide and actually run different images simultaneously. So if you have a lot of banner work, that's a fantastic function to be able to have. This was a product of the year at SGIA last year, and we've had great success with it. We're also showcasing our UJF printers. So this particular one is the UJF 6042 Mark II. It's our 2nd generation of the tabletop models. There's a huge range of applications for this machine, everything from promotional products like pens, which is what we're printing here, to industrial products, machine labels, all kinds of different things. This particular unit will achieve speeds of 39.5 square feet per hour. We're printing some pens with a customer, showing them how this works. There's 68 pens on here, and we were able to print these just over 5 minutes. We estimated somewhere around 1,000 pens an hour would be easy to achieve with this particular machine. So one of our most popular segments of our machines is our eco-solvent printers and print cut devices. This particular one is the CJV 150. We also have the CJV 300. The difference is that the 300 is a 2-head staggered configuration, and the 150 is a 1-head version. With the 2-head version and a 1.6 meter configuration, you can achieve speeds of up to 1,200 square feet per hour, which is extremely quick. Some of the advantages that we have over some of the other manufacturers is that, number one, our take-up units are included in the cost of the machine. A lot of other companies use what's called a dancer bar, and we use those too, but we use those on our die sublimation machines. On this type of machine, what we're using is a limited slip clutch that's actually on the bottom of the take-up. And the advantage with that is we can actually do print and cut work onto our take-up unit. The other advantage that we have is that we have continuous crop mark detection. You actually can add crop marks in the feed and scan direction so that you can correct for that error that will occur over distance. We've also gone with a brand new control panel on these units as well, so we can see our ink levels. We can see that we're printing here at 720 by 1080, 16 pass, all just by looking at the panel. We don't have to press any buttons and go into any menus to find any of that information. So if you're in the market for a print cut, I strongly urge you to look at the Mimaki solution. We have a brand new operation located in Concord. We have an 11,000 square foot facility there. We have a classroom upstairs for end user training and dealer training events. And we have a huge showroom there as well. So if you'd like more information on our location, you can go to our website at www.mimakiusa.com/Canada. Look us up and come on in and check out our showroom.